How to calculate your crypto earnings on Binance. Step-by-step yield guide. Are you earning interest on Binance but not sure how to calculate your real yield? In this video, I'll show you how to track and calculate your actual crypto returns across multiple Binance Earn products. Whether it's flexible savings or dual investment, this step-by-step guide will simplify it all. First, let's understand what crypto yield means. Yield is your return on crypto holdings over time, often expressed as APY, annual percentage yield. It can be fixed or variable and may be distributed daily, weekly, or at maturity, depending on the product. Log into your Binance account and head to the Earn section. Here you'll see products like flexible savings, locked staking, launch pool, dual investment, and more. Each shows an APY estimate. Click into any product to view detailed terms, like duration, reward frequency, and expected return. Flexible savings earns interest daily. To calculate your daily yield, Principal X APY. 365 ETH daily yield example. You deposit 1,000 USDT at 3% APY. That's about 0.082 USDT per day. Binance compounds rewards automatically, so your balance grows daily. Locked products are simple. If you stake 500 BUSD for 90 days at 6% APY, yield equals Principal X, APY equals X, lock period 365. In this case, 500 OCX 0.6 or 90 EADs 365. 7.4 or BUSD in interest paid at maturity. Some products compound rewards. Use this formula: AEPX 1 plus Shri Arwash N INET, where A is final amount, P is principal, R is APY, N is compounding frequency, and T is time in years. Binance automates this in many products like flexible savings and launch pool. For liquidity farming, rewards are dynamic and often come in multiple tokens. Track your earned rewards under Earn Liquidity Farming, My Earnings. In Launch Pool, you stake BNB or other tokens and get daily rewards, visible under the Launch Pool tab. Dual investment yield depends on market outcome. If your target price is not reached, you receive the interest and your principal. Use the ROI calculator. Binance provides. Example: you invest 1 ETH at 10% APY for 15 days. 1 ETH X 0.1 SEN x 15 365 equals to 0.0041 TA ETH reward. To check actual earnings, go to Wallet, Earnings History. You'll see a daily breakdown of rewards across all products. Download CSV reports if needed. This helps reconcile actual income with estimated APYs. Avoid these mistakes: confusing APY with APR, forgetting lockup periods, not compounding rewards manually where needed, ignoring volatility and impermanent loss in farming. Now you know exactly how to calculate and track your crypto yield on Binance. Start optimizing your earnings today. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Like this guide, subscribe it for more crypto tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a yield-boosting tip.